How do you attract your best customers when you have a business using YouTube? I know that a lot of people on YouTube think that YouTube is all about Google Ads, but you might have a business and you might want to start a business, but you're not sure where to start. Well, if you have a business, you know who your ideal customers are. If you don't have a business, then you need to find out what you're going to do. How are you going to help people with your business? So let's say you have a cleaning business, and I'm going to use this example for the rest of the video. You have a cleaning business where you clean cars, other people's cars inside, outside, and you're doing this. So how do you attract customers? Well, what are people's problems? And I don't know what people's problems are. But if you have a problem with your car and you don't have time to clean your car, let's take that example, and you know a lot better because you have those customers, you might think, okay, how do I help people clean my cars? Or how do I clean people's cars? So you say that you're taking them through a day. This customer called me because he doesn't have time to clean his car. And this could be a case study or something that you actually did in real life. So you're taking them through the day. You show up to their house, you clean the cars, and you show everything that goes through cleaning a car. Now, cleaning a car can be a lot of work, and a lot of people don't want to do that. So even though this is an example of a car cleaning company, it can be anything. It could be literally anything. Like, I don't have anything in mind right now, but it could be anything. So if you show up to people's place, you show how you're cleaning the cars, and it comes out perfect, and you're saying this will last for X amount of time because you put this special thing in, you added that, you added this. Cleaning a car is a lot of work, but if they see you are doing a great job at it, and you're using specific techniques that took you years to master, and you can say that it took you years to master, that you've been doing this for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you are going to be the first person that comes into mind. And if you have something that you can do as a service overseas, it's even better because you might have customers in another place. But if you're in your specific place, you can say that you're based around this place and you're doing this for 1 hour around X area. And if you get people, or if you solve people's problems that your company solves, and you show them that you know how to solve these issues, then you have a great place. If you're trying to have somebody that wants to learn car cleaning and you want to coach them on car cleaning, then it's going to be slightly different because you're going to show them the exact techniques that you use, how to optimize your time, how to do this or that. If you have Facebook ads, it's going to be the same thing. Are you doing it for businesses? And then you can tell them, well, I 5x the amount of leads that business gets because I did this or that, but without going into the techniques. If you're showing people how to use Google Ads and you want clients to teach, then you're going to go into the specifics of, I'm going to do this exact same this because this optimizes that, and you're going to go into the techniques, the words, the everything that goes in, because you're trying to teach people how to use Google Ads. In the other place, you're telling people, I can improve your ads, and this is how I improve those person's business. But you don't need to necessarily dive into the techniques because you want to have them as a client, and they don't really care about having the fine little details. All they care about is, am I going to make more money using this guy rather than the other person that I used to have or that I still have right now. So it's all about different angles that you attack if you want to have business out of YouTube. I have, if you want more about this, there's a link in the description. I have less than 5 spots now, but 5 spots available for free, 100% free. It's a Calendly, If you want to open a business or you have any questions about YouTube, just click the first link, the only link in the description, and I will help you with anything related to YouTube and business out of YouTube if you're interested. And if you have a specific problem, I can help you with that. So it's all about having the right angle to attack people in the right way. And all businesses are very specific. But if you want that, you'll attract your dream customers because you're doing the right thing. And if you have a coaching business, you can just use your coaching and that you actually coach people with and help them with your YouTube channel. The channels that, if you have your dream customers, what questions do they have? Package it slightly different, put it in a YouTube video, and you'll attract the exact same clients that you've been looking for. And you'll just snowball over time because you're attracting the same clients with the same questions that just come in and that you like working with. And that's how you end up having something amazing. So I still have spots available. Make sure you check those out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about YouTube or business that you want me to answer. Now, if you start to do this, there's going to be something that you're going to run into because there's a specific way to talk on YouTube that attracts clients rather than tourists that just want to be entertained. And that's something that you don't want if you're trying to have a business. That's why I made this video where I have 7 mistakes that you definitely want to avoid if you're having a channel giving people value and helping people, and especially if you have a business. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.